Walking into this job, I had to deal with 1,100 robots and all the trades and having to deal with all these machines. It was very overwhelming. But the welcoming of the team and the very positive environment and the support that you get from the people above you and the people on the floor, it makes it very productive. I started back in 2015 at powertrain facility as a controls engineer. 3 years later, I completed my PhD in manufacturing engineering. I studied as software engineer, and then I took my manufacturing engineering master's degree, and then I got my Ph.D. while I was working with Stellantis. I got a big support. I was working full-time and was going to school. I had a very good manager that motivated people that like to go back to school. Stellantis believes in people, promotes people, support people. When I first started, I never thought I would ever be in a position where I'm at. I never thought I would be running a facility with 1,100 robots. Stellantis is a company where you can find yourself.